even then that doesn't really matter too much. So what we're going to do now, this is what we're going to do. We're going to get our spring onion there, so you can take off the bit at the bottom, but don't cut into the actual onion itself, you just take off the root, okay? It's very simple, it's very simple. What we're going to do is get that now, when you get your knife, you cut down the middle, right? You turn it around, cut down the middle. You can just keep doing that. You come down, you're going to turn it to a different angle now, so you cut across that way, now we're going to cut this way. So that's the right way up. See? This is enough just to cut. I'm staying away from these, so I don't want to cut them off. Okay? So. Okay, so get the centre out, use the tip of the knife, let's pull that out. Remember, don't cut through. Like so. So they can now go into the water. Like so. Okay? You must make sure that comes out. Right? Everyone seeing this? You're going to get the next one. To move so I can see where the next mark is. At the same angle you cut that one, you cut the next one. Watch. Got that? And you come back this way. Same angle. So that comes out, right? Put that back. So I can now see where I'm working. Okay, see? Turn it around. Done that. What we're going to do now is get that, slide that one up, slide that one up, slide that one up, slide that one up. It's called feathering, so it's like a bit like a bird's feather. Okay? So, now what we're going to do now, get your angle that you want, whatever angle you want it at. So I'm going to go like so. Get your knife, set it flat. Get the bottom off. So now it sits. Makes sense? Anything like that. Here. Push it in there. Just keep it in place. Okay, so that's that. That's one. Good orange, and just going to go around like this. Start at the bottom end, start there because this is the rough end. This end's always much smoother. Okay, so you're right like so. Do not make the gap. Smell you. do not make the gaps there too big. Don't press down too hard. If pressing too hard, it becomes more difficult. You just pull this around. You get this lovely little pattern on it. Okay? But you want it to be nice and even. So what I normally do, I normally go to the line of the one above. So I run along that line, see? So the top of that runs along that line, so it gets nice and even then. And then you don't break it off. This is the bit you want. Okay? Okay? Two. Three. Four. So do three. And two in between each one of those. To get your 9. Okay? One there. And one here. It's kind of even, yeah? Outside out, and in and out. It must be even.
That's good.
Okay? Spread it off and just tuck it in. Right, so you cut your cucumber in half. Right? So you go like so. You get your finger, you guide. You cut 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 5th one, you cut it off. So it's like that. It's nice and flexy. So you miss one, fold one in. You miss one, fold it the other way. Okay? So it looks like a little claw.
Beautiful.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cut 7 one off. Miss one, fold one. Miss one, fold one. Miss one, fold one. Doesn't matter why you fold this. So you end up with that. Okay? Okay, so you put that on your finger underneath. Okay? Like so. Right? Then you get your knife. And you cut that top bit off like that. But not all the way off. Not all the way off. And then you're going to start now. So you cut a bit like that. Right? And now you're just going to go around it now. Not too thick. Don't do too thick. But make sure you don't break it. Do not do this and try and put it around. Let the knife do the work. Get out of the way here. Get off there. Get off.
Can't hear you.
I wonder what it's, it must be Catherine. This must the name of the tomato skin is definitely Catherine, not listening. Okay? So you go all the way around.
So you're just cutting on the skin then?
Just peeling it. Now, I can't see this. I'm purely going on instincts here.
I'll be your eyes.
I think I'll be alright. I think we'll get through. What do you reckon? Let the knife do the work.
You know, at the last level of Kung Fu Master, you don't even need to see. That's it.
That you say, cut off earlier on, sits on there, turn it, and you get a rose.
Oh.